A Big Brother 27 fan favorite is reportedly about to make a huge career move, and fans can't stop talking about it. After months of speculation, insiders are confirming that one of the most beloved house guests from the latest season has signed on to appear in another major reality show. While CBS has yet to make any official announcements, rumors are swirling across social media that the contestant's next TV appearance will shock fans and possibly even rival the fame they gained inside the Big Brother house. Sources close to production have hinted that the fan favorite has been approached by multiple networks following their breakout popularity on Big Brother 27. Their charisma, drama, and unpredictable gameplay captured millions of viewers, making them one of the most talked about contestants in recent seasons. Now it seems that star power has opened new doors, with producers from other reality franchises eager to cash in on their momentum. Several fan pages on X, formerly Twitter, and Reddit threads have been filled with theories about which show they'll appear on next. Some fans believe it could be The Challenge, given the physical endurance and strategic mindset required, both of which this player displayed on Big Brother 27. Others think it might be a dating show like Love Island or The Traitors, where alliances and deception play just as crucial a role as they do in the Big Brother house. A source reportedly close to the situation told Reality Insider that the deal was weeks in the making, and that filming could begin as early as this month. They've been keeping things quiet, but it's happening, the insider claimed. This contestant was one of the standouts of Big Brother 27, and other networks took notice. They have that rare combination of personality, confidence, and unpredictability that makes for great TV. Fans immediately began speculating about who this mystery star could be. Some are betting on Ashley Hollis, whose fiery gameplay and emotional outbursts kept viewers glued to the screen all summer. Others suspect it might be Vince Morales, whose underdog story and surprising late-game surge made him a fan favorite. Both have strong social media followings and seem eager to stay in the spotlight. If either name turns out to be true, it would mark another major crossover for Big Brother alumni. Over the years, many former house guests have successfully transitioned to other popular reality series. Notably, several past players, like Josh Martinez and Faisal Shafat, found new fame competing on The Challenge. Meanwhile, Big Brother legends like Cody Califio and Xavier Prutter have also explored modeling and hosting opportunities after their time on the show. The timing couldn't be better for a crossover, either. Big Brother 27 has been one of the most talked about seasons in recent memory, thanks to explosive twists, emotional evictions, and a finale that left fans divided. Social media engagement hit record highs, and the fan community continues to debate everything from strategic moves to personal feuds weeks after the finale aired. Given that kind of buzz, it's no surprise that producers from other networks are eager to keep the momentum going by bringing familiar faces into new environments. Big Brother contestants often have the perfect reality TV DNA, one casting director reportedly said. They know how to stir drama, build alliances, and deliver authentic reactions. That's exactly what every show wants right now. If confirmed, this move could represent a major turning point for the contestant's career. Reality TV fame can be fleeting, but those who manage to transition to multiple shows often secure long-term success in entertainment. Whether it's hosting, influencing, or competing, expanding beyond Big Brother can help sustain their visibility and income. Fans, meanwhile, are already preparing for the excitement. If it's Ashley, I'm watching no matter what, one fan wrote on Reddit. She's chaotic but entertaining. Every show needs someone like her. Others chimed in that they'd love to see Vince return to a competitive setting, calling him the most genuine Big Brother player in years. CBS, for its part, has remained silent on the rumors, though several former contestants have teased upcoming projects on social media, adding even more fuel to the speculation. One cryptic Instagram story from a top 5 finalist simply read, "Filming something new, can't wait for you all to see." Followed by a winking emoji. That post alone sent fans into overdrive. Whether this mystery contestant ends up on a competition show, a dating series, or something entirely unexpected, one thing is clear, Big Brother 27's impact isn't fading anytime soon. The season's breakout stars are capitalizing on their fame, and viewers are more than ready to follow their journeys beyond the Big Brother house. With production schedules aligning and excitement building, fans won't have to wait long to see their favorite reality star back on TV, this time in a Who Learn New Spotlight. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.